everyone, it's Irena and today we're going to slice onions. Everyone loves a good barbecue, especially with the warm weather now, but nobody really likes to cut up the onions because they make you cry, they get up your nose and your eyes, and people don't like doing it. And I understand that completely, but with the Magimix Food Processor, we slice our onions in seconds. So I just love my food processor for this. So we're going to use the midi bowl today, but you can use any bowl, the large one or the main bowl or the midi bowl. So we're going to put our disc support in, which you just spin into place, and the actual disc itself. Now, the disc turns anti-clockwise, and that's important depending on the kind of slice you want for your onions. So we're going to pop it on first, like that, turning it on. As soon as you put the food processor on, it goes straight to food processing. So it automatically sets it for your food processor. So you've got two feeding areas here. So if you have small onions and or you want one thing at a time, or if you have larger ones, in my case, then we can use the whole, larger hole. So to place your onion in, you can place it depending on how you want the cut. So if you like rings, make sure that you pop that down and move it across to the right hand side from when it's facing you. So this side here. So that actually gets it a nice cut. So I'll show you there. You're going to pop it in and we'll slice one. Okay, so remember, you can turn your machine off with the lid or with the stop button. So we're going to pop some more in. One at a time. I'll show you how quickly this can actually be done. Now you can do more than one at a time, but we'll just do one at a time so that you can see. So that's it. Oops. Oop. The larger one. Here we go. One. So there you have it, and just lift up the disc by the disc support. So here we have it. Gotta be careful now not to breathe all this in, but here we have lots and lots of onions, beautifully sliced. Look at that. Really nice, beautiful rings, lots of them for your barbecue, for your French onion soup, for anything you're doing, for stir fries. I shouldn't be talking while I'm doing this. But yes, that's what I love, to use I'm going to cry now because I'm talking while I'm doing this. But that's what I love about my food processor. It's so fast and the blades are so sharp, they don't bruise your vegetables. Okay, I better go and get myself a tissue. All right, see ya. Bye.